So now the next one here is multiplication of sword. These are the three examples we are going to be talking about, or we are going to be talking on. Um, okay, let me let me put one more. Should we? So now let's start from the first question. Our number one question is root 27 multiplied by root 50. These are our first question. Normally, we are going to also look for one number that we can square root and the other one that we cannot square root. Which are for 27 is 9 times 3 multiplied by for 50 is 25 times 2. So now we are going to, okay, we can square root 9. Square root of 9 is 3 root 3. Multiplied by square root of 25 is 5, remaining root 2. More in multiplication, you can multiply your roots together, but in addition, you are only allowed to pick one if the root are the same. But if they are different, you write it differently. So now, let's first multiply the whole numbers, then multiply the roots together. So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Root 3 times 2 is 6. So that's our answer for the first question. The second question, they said 4 root 3 square. What do they mean by this square? That means 4 root 3 in two places, like this. This one is also the same thing as this. So now we all know that brackets means multiplication. So now let's remove the bracket and replace it with multiplication. So now we are going to multiply the whole numbers first, then multiply the root. 4 times 4 is 16. Root 3 times 3 is 9. So it will now be 16. Since you can see square root 9, and the square root of 9 is what? The square root of 9 is 3. So what will be the multiplication of the two? If multiply the two, 60 times 3 will now give us 48. This is our answer. Let's move to the third one, which is root 32 multiplied by root 6 multiplied by root 2. Let's look for two numbers here, which are 16 multiplied by 2 times. We cannot look for numbers that we can, the square root that we can, the one that can square it and the one that cannot square it, cannot look for it here. So we are just simply going to write it back. So square root of 16 is 4. Root 2 multiplied by root 6 multiplied by root 2. And like I said the other time, I said in multiplication you multiply both the whole numbers together and the roots together. So 4 multiplied by 2 times 6 times 2. I write everything, I put in a bigger root. So 4 times 2 times 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. So there's an invisible one here. It's now be 4 root 24. For the fourth question, this is our answer. So for the fourth question, which is root 75 multiplied by root 150. Here I should solve it. If you have any challenges, just comment it and I'll do another video on how I solved it. Thank you very much.